Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate battery protection in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I have just updated my phone and I got One UI 6.1, and with this One UI 6.1 we will have some options to protect our battery lifespan. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can enable the battery protection for your Samsung Galaxy phone. First thing first, you need to open your setting, and then you have to open the battery setting, this one guys. And if you want to enable the battery protection, you just need to click on this toggle button, and you can click on this battery protection to choose which type of the battery protection you want to apply to your phone. You can choose basic, adaptive, or maximum. It's up to you, and you can read the description of each type of the battery protection right here. And I'm just going to choose maximum, and my battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. Alright guys, and that's all the way to activate the battery protection in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.